For over 125 years, this Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron pre-seasoned skillet has brought incredible value, durability, and versatility to kitchens across America and beyond. Its timeless, all-purpose design allows it to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven, grill, or even campfire, making it an absolute must-have for cooks of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a professional chef, this skillet is the ultimate investment for those who prioritize quality, tradition, and performance in their cookware. Why invest in the Lodge Cast Iron Skillet? Unlike many other skillets, the Lodge Cast Iron Skillet is a lifelong companion that improves with use, becoming a family heirloom. The natural seasoning enhances its non-stick abilities over time, so the more you cook, the better it gets. Whether you're making a skillet fried chicken or a campfire breakfast, Lodge Cast Iron cookware makes every meal a memorable experience. The Lodge family takes pride in crafting durable, high-quality cookware that stands the test of time. When you buy Lodge, you're investing in cookware that's reliable, versatile, and deeply rooted in American tradition. Why choose the Lodge Cast Iron Skillet? One word: versatility. The Lodge Cast Iron Skillet is designed to handle just about any cooking technique you throw at it. From searing steaks and sautéing vegetables to baking cornbread and frying eggs, this skillet does it all. Its superior heat retention provides even, consistent cooking across the entire surface, ensuring no cold or hot spots. The pre-seasoned, natural cooking surface creates an easy release, improving with every use, a true testament to cast iron's unique ability to age gracefully. Key features of the Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron skillet. 1. Superior heat retention and distribution. The Lodge cast iron skillet's edge-to-edge heat retention ensures even cooking every time. Unlike many other skillets, it holds heat longer, meaning it excels at tasks that benefit from a slow, steady heat source, like roasting and baking. 2. Naturally pre-seasoned surface. Seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, this skillet boasts a chemical-free, easy-release cooking surface. Lodge's proprietary seasoning process adds durability and offers a better cooking experience right out of the box. 3. Versatile design. This skillet can go from stovetop to oven, grill, and even campfire with ease. Its unmatched durability makes it one of the best choices for outdoor and indoor cooking alike. 4. Ergonomic teardrop handle. Lodge has reimagined the traditional handle with an ergonomic teardrop design for improved grip and comfort, even when the skillet is filled with heavier foods. 5. American-made quality. Lodge cast iron products have been made in the USA since 1896. The brand's long-standing commitment to quality craftsmanship has established it as a leading choice for cast iron cookware worldwide. Pros of the Lodge Cast Iron Skillet. Unparalleled heat retention. Ideal for frying, searing, and roasting. Long-lasting quality. With proper care, this skillet will serve you well for decades. Improves over time. Seasoning builds and enhances the cooking surface as you use it. Multi-cooking capabilities. Perfect for stovetop, oven, grill, and campfire cooking. Environmentally responsible. Lodge is committed to sustainable practices and uses PFOA and PTFE-free materials. Cons to consider. Heavy. At 10.25 inches, this skillet can be cumbersome for some users. Requires proper maintenance. Regular seasoning and careful washing are necessary to prevent rust. Care instructions for longevity. To ensure your Lodge cast iron skillet remains in optimal condition, follow these simple care steps. 1. Clean by hand using warm water. Mild soap is optional. 2. Dry thoroughly with a lint-free cloth or paper towel. 3. Oil lightly after each wash, applying a very light layer of vegetable oil while the skillet is still warm. 4. Store properly by hanging or keeping it in a dry place to avoid moisture exposure. What users are saying. Customers love the Lodge cast iron skillet for its ability to handle any cooking challenge. Many praise the skillet's durability and superior heat retention, noting that it brings a rustic quality to their cooking that no other material can match. Final verdict. The Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron pre-seasoned skillet is an essential piece of cookware for those who value quality and tradition. This skillet's versatility, durability, and outstanding performance make it a worthwhile investment that can serve generations. Its natural, easy-release seasoning, excellent heat retention, and rugged design ensure that it's ready for any cooking adventure, whether indoors or out by the campfire. The Lodge Cast Iron Skillet truly sets itself apart with unmatched quality and versatility, making it the go-to pan for countless home cooks and professional chefs alike. Ready to transform your kitchen with the perfect skillet? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.